Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing some more card opening. Hopefully we get some luck on this video because we are wearing a bunch of Pokemon stuff. And let's hope we get some luck on these two packs. And let's get started. We're going to do Lost Origin first. Fine, we can do Pokemon Go first. Now let's see what we get from Pokemon Go. Ooh.
Ooh. That's the show.
Okay. Black outline. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What we got is I got a Electric Energy, Wartortle, Rare Candy, Egg Incubator, Alolan Rattata, Wimpod, Pikachu, Squirtle, Meltan, Camprupt, and a Melmetal Inside Foil. Camprupt, not a Ditto.
Same thing as one video. Charmander, Apom, Bulbasaur,
Pedo,
Magikarp, Outside Foil Magikarp.
Golisopod.
I have nothing good, but it shows this.
Hold up. Okay, yeah. Lua module, Gyarados, and an Egg Incubator. Now we're gonna do our Lost Origin packs. Now let's hope that we get something good from this. Oh, mine is pretty easy to open. That's not a good sign. Holy moly! Okay, there we go. Black outline, that's really good. I'm really excited. Please, something. Okay. I think something has answered. Electric Energy. Apom. Lampet. Cascoon. Bronzor. Sudowoodo. Phantom. Glidagore. Outside Foil Landorus. And a Kyurem VMAX. Our prayers have answered. Now let's see. Can we catch you with the Master Ball? Ding! Oh yeah. Okay guys, that Kyurem VMAX I was really not expecting. Shellos, Monfu, Litleo,
Ghastly,
a Ducklet, a Porygon 2, that's pretty neat, a Spiritomb,
Fire Energy,
Gloom, Lumition, and a Mirage Gate. Welcome back. Not welcome back. Never mind. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Okay, let's see if we can catch this Pikachu. And dun, 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 ding. Going out, Pikachu. There we go. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye, and 1, 2, 3, peace.